So you can see across the top of the report window, we've got a number of icons and configurations we can play with. And I'll just run through those now. So pop it back on the ACD agent list. The first one we come across is the modify report. So if we click on that, that then pops up the modify report window. Exactly the same window that we got when we clicked add new report, or when we clicked modify report from the my reports window. But now, because we clicked on the modify report from within the report window, we're now modifying the report we're looking at. And again, I'm not going to go through how to configure reports at this point. That's covered in other tutorials. So the next icon we come across is the generate a printable version of this report icon. And by clicking this, you can generate either a PDF document, a rich text format document, which can be viewed in applications such as Word, or just display a printable HTML view. So if I have a look at some of these examples, I'm going to download a PDF document. And we can see there, although it's in landscape, we've got a PDF document that displays a graph of the table of the report we're looking at on the screen, as well as tabled information. Now there's a lot of information in that report, so you might want to work on applying some filters. Going back to the Supervisor portal, let's have a quick look at the rich text format. So we can see here, we've now got the document in Word. So moving along is download the report in CSV format. And again, if you've chosen CSV as your file format in your scheduled email report, this is how the report would look. The next icon or button along is the snapshot button. And what this allows you to do is take a quick snapshot of what's going on at that moment in time on the report. Of course, it's always possible to take a screenshot and use that to freeze frame what's going on. But what the Akixi built-in snapshot report allows you to do is, once you've taken that snapshot of what's going on at that moment in time, you've still got things like tooltips. So if you wanted to freeze a report and just take your time to have a look at what's going on and what, for example, the icon means, you've still got the tooltips. Which means you don't have to keep up with a fast-moving report to find out what's going on. So the next feature along is the device filter. And what this enables you to do is filter the report you're looking at against specific users or specific groups. So for example, I'm looking at all my ACD agents, but I just want to look at the ACD agents activity from the Sales Europe group point of view. So if I select the Sales Europe group, click refresh, we're now seeing activity for the agents that only belong to that one group. Now I've filtered the reports to concentrate on the agents I just want to look at. The next thing I can do on the Supervisor portal is alter the zoom level of the report we're looking at. And you've got a whole range to choose from, but you can also enter a value yourself. So I want to look at this at 133%. So moving along, the next icons we come across are the call controls icons. And if the Akixi Supervisor has an associated extension, they can use these buttons to control features of their phone, such as make a call, receive a call, transfer a call. We can see here that I can use this menu to make a call or put the Supervisor extension on Do Not Disturb or take it off Do Not Disturb. And depending on the current state of the extension, if there was a call already in progress, you can do other actions such as hold the call or close the call. If the extension was ringing, you could use this to answer the call. And also, if needs be, you can use it to transfer a call. The following buttons here are just shortcuts to what you saw in the menu.